Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your hardware and permissions because reliable input depends on it. Enable camera and motion access now, install the updated SDK or app, and restart if prompted. Once done, optimize environment. Steady lighting, low background clutter, and a camera angle around chest-to-eye height to maximize detection. This first pass reduces false positives and gives the tracking model the right data to learn from. Move deliberately. Initial gestures teach the system what you mean. Next, calibrate and help the model adapt to your hands. Follow prompts for open hand, fist, and pointing gestures because consistent samples improve accuracy. Then adjust sensitivity. Lower it to reduce jitter, raise it to catch quick motions, test both. Practice the actual gestures at natural speed and record samples if the tool allows. This creates personalized thresholds. Make small, incremental changes and retest after each adjustment so you know which tweak produced improvement. Finally, integrate the gestures into your workflow and verify feedback, visual cues, sounds, or haptics so you know an input registered. Test across different lighting levels and distances to confirm robustness and log any failures to identify patterns. If tracking still misbehaves, reboot the device, update or reinstall camera drivers, and reduce background motion. These steps fix most problems. One key tip: recalibrate after major lighting changes. That single step often resolves lingering accuracy issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.